friends, it's Miss Lisa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a shoebox theater out of things that you just have around the house. So the main thing that we're going to use is, of course, a shoebox. Now you can use any box, but this is kind of easier. It makes it only a few steps. And you need a dish towel. This is for the curtain. You need some tape to hold it on, some scissors just to cut out the back. And now for the puppets, basically you can use things that you already have. Like you can use, if you have some dolls or any kind of toy, you can use a sock if you want to just put it on your hand and make a sock puppet. Now if you want to make a puppet, an easy way is to take a spoon and just kind of draw a silly face on it. So just take a marker. You can just kind of draw a face like that, see? But again, you don't have to make these. You can just use things that you already have, and those will do. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just take the shoebox and we're going to cut out the back. Okay, so this is a part where the adults have to help, okay? You just kind of poke the scissors into it and then just sort of cut it out. Cardboard, so it'll take a few minutes. That easy to cut. So luckily this is the most work that you're going to have to do on this. Your friends will be playing with it in a matter of minutes. Okay, let's put that aside. So it's going to look like this. Now it's not, perfect, but it doesn't matter. So now we have it cut out, and what we're going to do is just put some tape on the top, just where we want the curtain to go. So you just need like a few pieces of tape, just 2 or 3. Just kind of fold them like this. Like that, and just one more probably. Okay, now we're going to put the dish towel on top, and you kind of just arrange it just the way that you'd like it. And it really doesn't matter if it's like a little too big or too small, because this is just a home theater, just for your friends, your children to enjoy. Okay? Okay, and now we have it. See, this is the front where you lift it up, and then the back is where the kids will sort of stick their hand in and make the puppets. Okay, so now I'm going to show you just a demonstration of what you can do. Okay, we're going to do a little show. Sock Bunny, do you want to do the honors?
Presenting the Downey School Puppet Show. Yay!
Okay, lift up the curtain. What are you eating there?
Oh, it's some ice cream.
Oh, I want ice cream. Hey, I want it.
No! I'm not going to give it to you if you act like that.
I want ice cream.
No, I'm not going to give it to you if you cry. Oh, you know what you need to do.
Oh, let me think. Oh, can I please have some ice cream?
Yes, you may.
Oh, thank you. Nom nom.
Oh, see, I like to share with you, but you have to say please and be polite.
Oh, you're right. It's always important to be polite, friends. Remember to always say please if you want something.
Thank you. The end. Friends, I today, and you